Hey everyone, welcome back to QuizBird. Ready to play Would You Rather? Summer Edition Round 2. Before we start, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Let's go! Would you rather walk barefoot in the sand or in the grass? Spend a week exploring a new city or relaxing on a tropical island? Would you rather have a summer without any bugs or without any sunburns? Would you rather go on a boat ride or ride a jet ski? Would you rather stay up to watch a thunderstorm or the stars? Run through the sprinkler or go down a slip and slide? Go on a nature scavenger hunt or have a water balloon fight? Would you rather spend a day at a water park or a theme park? Would you rather have a summer job as a lifeguard or a camp counselor? Would you rather have a sleepover with friends in a tent or in an RV? Spend your summer exploring nature trails or visiting historical sites? Have a backyard water balloon fight or a water gun fight? Would you rather float on a tube or go tubing? Would you rather create chalk art or paint rocks? Would you rather go to a carnival or to a parade? Which one? Cannonball into the lake or use a rope swing? Would you rather ride a Ferris wheel or a roller coaster? Would you rather build a tree fort or climb a tree? Would you rather eat corn on the cob or watermelon? Play frisbee or skip rocks? Would you rather drink iced tea or lemonade? Nap in a hammock or in a tent? Would you rather wear a sun hat or a ball cap? Make a birdhouse or a wind chime? Would you rather pick wild berries or pick garden veggies? Enter a hula hoop contest or a potato sack race? Would you rather paddle a canoe or go kayaking? Go rollerblading or bike riding? Would you rather swim in a lake or in a pool? Final question. Ride in a hot air balloon or in a sailboat? That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and choose your next quiz.